Hey guys, we just have a quick little project here. I kind of got started without the camera. This is the planter box that we're making. Looks like a planter box, but it's for the garden hose on the side of the house here. So all it is some fence boards. It's just little thin. I think they're one by sixes. So far I bought 6 5-footers and two by 4s by 12 feet, and I have one fence board left here, and then quite a bit of 2 by 4 left. But I still have to put a 2 by 4 on the top surface like this, which will be mitered in the corners also, all the way around. That'll be the top. So that's how it is so far. These are just mitered. I glued them with waterproof glue, screwed, and then these fence boards are just screwed, 2 screws, top and bottom, on each one. So that's it so far. I'll get back to you when I get more progress. One more thing. The fence boards, as you can see here, the corners look pretty nice. All I did there was I put a miter on them and just left part of the roundover, factory roundover, so that gives it the better look, and it's not sharp. Anyway, there you go guys, it's all done. Got the top on, it's put in place, and we got a hose on it. The way I put the hose, just drilled a hole in the bottom back, so the hose goes through there, plugs into the top, and it's open at the bottom, so any water that rains can drain out. There she goes. Garage door is all done now. They got the last piece of siding on. I had to put new pieces because now there's no sag in it. It's all level. So there. All that's left now to do is put the weather stripping to seal off the ends and the top. That's it.